Hello everybody, this is Bee from Mama Bee's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bee's menu, we are making perfectly roasted potatoes without oven. These roasted potatoes are a tasty side dish for any meal. They are creamy on the inside and crispy on the outside and have a bold garlic flavor. Guys, this one, I know you will love it. So let's get started. You know Mama Bee doesn't like to waste time. So let's get right into the ingredients. You will need red potatoes, butter, rosemary, garlic, black pepper, salt, and olive oil. Start by washing your potatoes. Add them to a large saucepan and bring it to a boil for about 10 minutes. Let's move on to make flavored garlic and herb boil. In a saucepan over medium heat, bring olive oil to just simmer with a few bubbles coming. Add in garlic and rosemary. Let it steep for 2 minutes or just until the garlic turns brown. Guys, with the rosemary, you can chop it, but I like to leave mine just on the stem. Strain all out in a small bowl. Drain the potatoes and let them sit to cool slightly before you slice them. Slice them in half. Add the infused oil to the pan over medium-high heat. Bring the oil to just simmer with few bubbles coming. Place potatoes in one layer, leaving spaces between them. If you don't like potatoes with the skin, go check my video for perfectly roasted potatoes at home with oven. I'll leave the link up here, guys. Now we're gonna roast this for 10 minutes. Add butter. Then we're gonna season with salt and black pepper. Flip and cook for another 2 minutes. There you have it, guys. Perfectly pan roasted garlic herb potatoes. I hope you'll try this recipe, and if you do, please leave a comment down in the comment section below. Please give us a like and share our videos to your friends and your family. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honeys.